Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting the setup now. Power the camera and ensure battery or adapter is stable because intermittent power breaks pairing. Make sure your phone is connected to the 4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Many cameras won't accept 5 GHz. Install the maker's app and sign in, which saves settings to the cloud. Once done, open the app and select Add Device. Grant location and camera permissions so the app can discover the camera and communicate securely with your phone. You'll now pair the camera to your phone via the app's pairing flow. Scan the camera QR code or choose AP/WPS mode based on the model. When prompted, type your Wi-Fi SSID and password carefully, matching uppercase and lowercase. This is why many setups fail. If using AP mode, temporarily join the camera's hotspot on your phone to pass credentials. Keep the camera near the router until the app reports a successful connection and the LED changes from blinking to steady. You're almost finished. Name the camera in the app, adjust motion detection, recording length, and notification preferences so alerts matter. Then check for firmware updates and enable encryption and a strong admin password to protect the feed. If connection fails, reboot the camera and router, move the camera closer to the router, and re-enter the Wi-Fi credentials. Many issues are credential typos or weak signal. If problems persist, factory reset the camera and repeat the pairing steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.